มีตัว R
มี
First exercise we'll do it all together. You stand feet parallel about shoulder width, and you shift your weight to one side. You will stand on the edge, the outside edge of one leg, and then inside edge of the other one. Yes, and you take 2 normal breaths. And then shift. Okay, that's one set, so we'll do 5 sets, okay? So the second set. Okay, shift.
मैं भी एक्सरसाइज करूँगा
Shift. Both sides. This exercise helps you ground yourself when you start, so it's really helpful. Yes. And after each exercise, you shake your legs to each one. And the important thing is not to lock your knees, just soft knees. Okay, now we start from the feet, and then now we're working upwards. So we're working with the calf muscles. We want to tire it. I'll show you. You want to tire the muscle enough, say like the scale is from 0 to 10, you want number 7 of pain ratio. So 0 being nothing, you feel nothing at all, and then pain, you can't go any further. We don't want to go that far. You want number 7, your 7, okay? Number 7. So you go up like this, and come down, and then up, and then down until you reach number 7. Come off the wall, shake, and then turn to the other side and do the same thing. So if I'll watch you and then I'll tell you. Okay.
Yeah.
You bend one leg?
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's okay. Something.
Just, to hold If you have a really strong leg, so you don't touch the ground, so you come down a little bit and then go back up. Remember, number 7, we're not going for endurance or anything, just enough. You can change. Slowly. shake, shake, shake. Now, the third one is, so you quadricep, hamstring, and glute. Okay, so this is the first option you watch first. You bend down, hands close to your foot, lift one leg up, and relax your head, neck, and shoulders, and imagine like you're gonna sit down. So your weight will be on your heel rather than on your toes. So you sit down like that, slowly, and be careful for your knees not to go over your toes. So you just sit down like that, okay? And when you're done on number 7, shake, and then go back down again, do the other leg, drop your head, and then go up. So if it's too much, or you can use the number 2 exercise, you hold for balance. Same thing, you lift one leg up, front or in the back, doesn't matter. Just sit down in the back, so your weight will be in the back. Okay, be careful not to go over your toes. Okay, take your pick. Relax your head, neck and shoulders. Okay. Slowly. Be careful your knees, not to go over your toes, yes. Relax your head, drop your head. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Drop your head. You don't have to go too far down because you have to keep your knees. Okay. Number 7, okay? And shake, shake, shake. Okay. So that's the third one. And the fourth one is adductor. So you stand as far as you want to feel the muscle. So someone maybe here and here, but not too far. Okay. So you go down. Okay. So go down and breathe 3 deep breaths. Okay, soft knees, 3 deep breaths in the middle, 3 deep breaths on one side, and then shift, hold, 3 deep breaths, and then back to the center, but this time palm down in the back, and then 3 deep breaths. And then slowly come up and last, and then shake. Bác tham minh mình, tôi phải nói chuyện để hỗ trợ. 3 deep breath in the middle first. Hold to one side, 3 deep breaths.
The knee bends, yeah?
Yeah, knee, soft knees. And in the center, palm down in the back. Yes. 3 deep breaths. When you come up, head last, slowly, and up. And then shake. Shake, shake. Fourth one, and then the fifth one. So you stand a little bit wider than the hip. Now this one you bend more than soft knees. So bend your knees and put your palm at your jeans pocket and push your
That's a nice way to
pelvis.
say it.
Huh?
That's a nice way to say it.
Yeah. Okay, push your pelvis straight forward. You don't bend your back, but you just push your pelvis forward and you find the right position for your head so that you can open mouth and breathe through your mouth. So 3 deep breaths. And then you turn with your pelvis first, and then your shoulders, and look over your shoulders, and 3 deep breaths, and then turn the pelvis first, shoulders, look over your shoulders, and then 3 deep breaths, back to the center, 3 deep breaths, and then come up, and then shake. Okay? No coffee.
No, what to do then?
Push your butt. Open mouth, 3 deep breaths through your mouth. If it starts shaking, it's okay. Turn your hip first, turn your pelvis first, then shoulder, and look over your shoulder. Yes. Breathe through your mouth. Three deep breaths through your mouth. And then back to the center. Keep pushing. 3 deep breaths. Through your mouth. Shake, 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 shake. And now bend, after shaking, bend
So
down.
shake your back now.
Bend down and relax. This is not the exercise, just relax your body. Just hang down. Loose, soft knees. If it starts shaking, that's okay too. Okay, come up. Slowly. Actually, this one should be the last one, but I'm gonna do the wall for you before we move. Okay. This one is the wall. So here is 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. So, but you want to keep your feet about shoulder, hip width, and the knees about hip width. and you can still see your toes. If not, you're gonna injure your knees like this. Okay, so you see your toes and then you just relax and just wait for number 7 and then move up 1 inch and then stay on the wall. As long as you are comfortable, just stay on the wall. This exercise will take longer than others. So just stay on the wall until number 7 and then keep moving up. And then keep moving up until almost straight. You want to bring your feet back a little bit, it's okay, but stay on the wall. Okay? Until 7, and then start moving up 1 inch at a time. So feet parallel, about hip
Round
width.
out the wall, or the bottom touching the wall, or
Yeah,
out
yeah,
the
yeah,
wall?
yeah. Touch. Just relax. Just, can you see your toes? Maybe like that. Love legs. Okay. So knees and feet about hip width. Okay. This exercise will be a little bit longer than others, so if you're still comfortable, stay on the wall until number 7. If not, just stay on the wall. It will take maybe 5 more minutes. This is body number 7. Or if you will start shaking, it's okay. You want to activate the muscles enough, so when you go down to the floor, it will be easier. If you're coming up too soon, maybe the number 7, you can stay on the wall forever. So maybe you have to find yourself the place, because this is for yourself. You will be doing this at home. So if it's too much too soon, so maybe you go find and then stay until 7. Okay? Start shaking. Yes. What do you notice? Where? Okay. Relax on the wall. Unlock your knees. If it's almost straight, so you can pull your back a little bit. You notice anything in your body? Anything?
Just a moment.
Almost straight, so you pull your Put that, no, don't lock your knees. Yeah. Put your feet back to the
Bring my feet back.
So, guys, stay on the wall. What do you feel?
My legs shaking.
Shaking? Is it okay? You feel uncomfortable? If it's comfortable, stay on the wall. If you feel uncomfortable when anything, you push yourself out and then lock your knees, so it will stop, right? This is learning to do self-regulating. So if you feel uncomfortable, but if you are comfortable, stay on the wall. When the shaking starts, it's fine too.
I say to vibrate.
Yeah, that's good. Where? You feel something? Yeah. I can see this. Yeah, that's good. You notice anything in your body?
Back.
No? So you drop down a little bit?
My arms.
Yeah. This is to get in touch with your body, so it's good.
My mouth is shaking.
Relax, yeah. Do you feel anything?
Yes.
You feel comfortable with it, or you feel uneasy? How do you feel?
It's hard to breathe.
Go off the wall. Push yourself, lock your knees. Okay. And then, burn yourself. When like this, when you come off the wall, if you walk for a while and then if you feel comfortable, you can always go back if you want to. If you come off and then you are okay and you want to go back, you just go back. Okay, now push yourself off the wall and lock your knees. Okay, and shake, shake, shake. And one more time, go down on the floor, relax. For 1 minute, and then slowly come up.
I'm still shaking on the floor.
Yeah, you should.
I'm still shaking.
Yeah, that's good. You can see that. Well, it's activating. That's what we want. Okay, slowly come up. Okay, relax. Shake it off. Okay.
ทีนี้ต้องปรับกล้องออกมันไม่ค่อยเห็นละ
หยุดก่อน